Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing this gorga day? You guys, the day has finally come. The girls got me. The girlies got me. The IL Makiage girlies got me good. Okay, so today you guys, we're gonna be testing out the most reviewed foundation I think of all time. It's like the most seen. I've never been asked more in my entire career to review a foundation than the IL Makiage foundation. Literally, I see those ads everywhere. I'm over here I'll be scrolling randomly and there's an IL Makiage ad. Yeah, it's put it on, it's blending in perfectly to the skin. The whole thing. The whole fantasy, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. If you guys are watching this, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Because the girls be getting got. I'm the girls. I'm the one getting got. So, today I thought it'd be kind of fun to do a little testing. I've never worn it before. I've never tried it out. I've just been kind of curious because I have seen the ads everywhere. I haven't been intrigued by it. Haven't we all? I want to know if it's worth the money. Is it worth the coin? It's $50. It's not a cheap ass foundation. It's expensive. So I thought it'd be kind of fun to do a little try on with me. I'm going to do a wear test. See what it looks like up close on skin. The girls got me. The ads got me good, sis. The ads got me good. So that's what today's video is going to be. As always, if you guys like this video, if you guys don't like me, please don't like watching. Don't enjoy that. But if you guys do like this video, if you guys like reviews, if you guys like the gays,
can you drop me off at the bus stop?
Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And if you're new, what's up, MannyMua? Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. Well, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, guys, so what we're gonna do, I literally just got my package in. Let me open it up. I haven't even opened it. Woke up this foundation in the shade 20. I grabbed just one shade because it was expensive. And I'm not gonna buy 7, you know? I'm just not doing it. Comes in a little box like this, wrapped, which I think is actually really cute. Let's find out the price. It's $45. So with tax, shipping, all that stuff, it's pricey, it's not cheap. So this is what it comes like, this is what it looks like right here. Okay, that's really fucking cute component. The unit carton, that's fucking cute. God damn it, that's cute. This is what we have right here. This is the bottle. It's a glass bottle. It's heavy, it's weighted. Black little top with a pump. I'm excited. And I'm shade 20. You guys, let's go ahead and read up on this foundation because I'm curious. I'm reading their description of what they say it is. It's a, smoothing, evening of the skin. Innovative formula minimizes appearance of shadows and pores, enhances complexion. Easy buildability meets ultimate blendability, and it's ultra. Why do they make it so fucking confusing? Jesus Christ. Medium to high coverage. Okay, traceless medium to high coverage. Blur fine lines, redness, blemishes. So it's claiming to do a lot. You guys, the amount of reviews on this product. This has 521,802 reviews. That's 500,000 reviews. I've never seen a product more reviewed than this in my whole life. So this is truly the world's most reviewed foundation. It has 50 shades. It is lightweight texture, buildable, medium to high coverage, natural matte finish, so more like a satiny, I'm assuming. Enriched with vitamin E, anti-aging, hyaluronic acid for hydration, 100% cruelty-free, long-lasting wear. Okay. Optically corrective powders. I don't know what the fuck that means. That's science. That's science, and I haven't done science in 10 years. So what we're gonna do, guys, I grabbed a sponge, and I'm also gonna use a brush. We're gonna apply on both sides. Let me go ahead and prime real quick. Let's use a primer. I'm gonna take the Tatcha Silk Canvas, the liquid one. Am I out? No. Okay, I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna prime the skin. I'm gonna do how I normally do. I gotta give this foundation a chance. So we're gonna do, of course, a wear test, and I'm gonna show you guys on my phone what it looks like. Because the thing is, the amount of ads I've seen for this, I've never seen a more pushed out foundation than this. So I bought this online, and if the color doesn't match me, that's just too damn bad. Well, that's too damn bad.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad. From Holes. I just watched Holes recently, and it was so fucking good. That movie aged just so beautifully. Loved it. Anyway, we're taking the foundation, shade 20, made in Italy. That's rich. 50 shades is a lot. I gotta say. Oh my god, I thought I broke it already. I'm not this. Comes out in a kind of creamy consistency, a creamy texture. Will this match me? Only God knows. Okay, so I'm gonna go and take it on a sponge on this side. I'm gonna take the brush on the other side, and we're gonna see what the tea is. So clearly it's a little light for me, but I'm a little more self-tanned than usual right now because I just got back from Coachella this week. So I'm a little more, I did a little self-tanner, so that's why I'm a little bit more pale than usual. Or more tan than usual. So this I think actually would fit me completely great if I wasn't slightly self-tanned. Like that would fit me pretty good. So let's see the tea. Let's move up the camera. So putting it on, you guys, the texture and consistency, I think it's a great consistency. It's not too runny, it's not too thick either. Blends out really, really well. It's giving me like a natural finish so far. Satiny finish, so that whole like natural matte is essentially satin. I do feel like it just kind of does look at my skin, but better. Okay, let's go ahead and put it on with the brush on this side. Let's see. With the brush, we're gonna take a LBF2 brush. The Lunar Beauty brushes. Do you guys have the Lunar Beauty brushes? And if you don't, why don't you? I'm not gonna tell you again. I'm not gonna tell you again. You guys know I don't want to yell at you. I don't want to have to yell at you, but I will. I will if I have to. I will yell at you. Okay, we're applying it with the brush. They actually apply completely identical. They look the exact same with the brush and with a sponge. Coverage is a nice, like I said, nice medium coverage. I'm gonna try to build it after. We'll see what kind of looks like. We're gonna see what it looks like. So far I've done like 3 pumps and it definitely is drying down to a demi matte finish. All the claims that it's saying so far do seem like it's actually what it's claiming. Finish is really pretty. I'm not mad. Listen, you guys, so far I'm not mad. I'm gonna go and put a nice little layer on my nose. But of course, I'm also like putting this on and my mirror is a little far from me. I'm gonna go and look what it looks like up close and we're gonna see the real tea. We're gonna see the real tea. It dries down nicely. Okay, the time has come. It's blurring. Bitch, you better be joking.
Bitch, you better be joking.
Okay, you guys, you know what? This is low-key fucking pretty as fuck, dude. It's low-key pretty as fuck. Let me show you guys. I'm just gonna show you with foundation only. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like on my phone. I gotta admit, you guys, look at it. It does give me a demi-matte finish, I definitely would say. But it's not flat matte, it's definitely demi-matte. And I do feel like it looks a little blurry on my skin. This is not set. So I do feel like even before the setting, it looks pretty blurred. Coverage is pretty nice, medium coverage. Are you guys impressed? Because I'm impressed. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so far, I'm a little impressed. I'm gonna add a little bit more because I just want to see how it would build around my cheeks, just like in this area. I'm just kind of curious. My mustache area, where I would go with just more coverage, would be in these kind of areas. And it's building lightly, not a ton. And I would say it's still like a medium coverage, but it builds up a little bit more to full. You can get it there. You can definitely get it to more full coverage, but naturally this is definitely a nice like medium coverage, but skin-like. When they said a like light matte, they are not kidding. Like it's even more mattifying than satin. If you are dry, I actually don't know if you would live. I really don't, because I do feel like this could fall into the dry patches. It could. If you are dry and you've tried this foundation, please let me know, because I'm not dry. I have like combo skin and I do get dry patches, so I'm oily and I'm dry sometimes, depending on like the weather, so many different things. But I do feel like this could definitely fall into my dry patches. I just don't think I have any right now. It looks fucking fire. Doesn't it look like my skin, but better? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some other products. Let's put on some, like, let's fucking do the damn thing. Let's do the damn thing. Let's do the deal. Let's fucking do the fucking deal. You guys, how have you been? I feel like I've been Manny MIA, and I know I like really haven't, but I've been like feeling really guilty. Random side note, let's go into therapy. Sure, let's do a therapy sesh. I have been feeling really guilty recently about not being able to upload as much content because I've been busy. And I've been mentally not as like, not that I'm not mentally sound, because I am, but I haven't been as mentally like there. And it makes it harder for me to do content when I'm not as like mentally strong, if that makes any sense. So I just feel like I've been like low-key absent. And like I've been only getting up like 1 video a week. But that's like all I can kind of like do right now, to be honest. And I just wanted to apologize for that, because I feel like I always try to do like 2, but I've just like haven't had the energy, to be honest. I haven't like felt as good, so I haven't really been able to do it as much and upload as often as I usually do. So I do apologize for that, and I hope you guys can understand. I'm trying to at least do at least one still a week, because I don't want to like disappear. But it's just been a little tougher. I've been like mentally going through the gigs, especially like with my last launch. It's been so difficult, like so much going on with like shipping and so much craziness, and I've been so stressed. Like, and I really wish I can like clone myself and make multiple of me's to wear all the different hats that I want to wear, like the CEO me, the Lunar Beauty CEO, and then there's like the MannyMua that needs to film. Then there's also like me wanting to have an actual life as well. So I feel like there's like a lot of things that I'm trying to juggle, but I'm having a hard time juggling it right now. I really am, and I wish I wasn't, but that's true, T. I'm struggling with the juggling, and I make jokes out of it to cope with my bullshit, you know what I'm saying? And so I'll make fun of myself for it, you know? But just know that I'm trying. You know, I'm trying to get there. But so yeah, so just kind of bear with me, you guys. I promise you I'm not like disappearing. It's just like I haven't been as present mentally, so I can't be as present online either, if that makes any sense. There's just a lot going on. It's too much. So I hope you guys can understand. I just kind of want to like open up and talk to you guys about that really quickly, because I felt like I haven't really talked about that as much. And my mental health's been like dropping a little bit recently. Just a bit. Nothing crazy, but it has been dropping just a teensy. So you know, like, you know how it gets, you guys. Like, I'm sure a lot of you guys out there that do deal with mental health issues, like, you'll be like so great one day, and then the other day you're like, I can't really get out of bed. What's going on? So that's kind of me right now. But the problem is that I actually like can't stay in bed. I have to get so much things done. I can't really afford to stay in bed. How have y'all been, honestly? I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are doing better than me, to be honest, because god damn. And you know what's funny? So I was actually talking to a friend of mine, and we were talking about, like, I was saying, like, how I was feeling guilty for only uploading once a week. And I was feeling this, like, creator guilt, you know? And she was telling me, she was like, yo, honestly, like, you only have one life to live, you know? You can't kill yourself for the, like, for everyone and everything. Like, you literally can't do that, or you're not gonna be happy, and you're gonna wake up one day and be like, wait, I did all this work, but I didn't enjoy my life along the way. And I'm like, fuck, you're kind of right, dude. You're kind of fucking right, dude. It's so true. And it's like, I know that already, but it's different from when like someone tells you that, you know? And you're like, wait, I actually do need to focus on my mental health a little bit more. It be like that. It really just be like that. So far, by the way, all the products going on top of my foundation are going on beautifully. And I'm actually obsessed. No, but I'm actually obsessed.
I'm obsessed.
So hopefully y'all have been doing good. I'm wishing y'all some strength and love and light. Cause okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and try to set the face, and I want you guys to see what it looks like set, and now everything's gonna kind of work together. I'm scared. This is make or break, y'all. This is indeed make or break. So far my face, I mean, I think that I'm looking pretty snatched, like, and I'm really enjoying the glam today, like, actually. Struggling mentally, but stunning. I will say that I am proud because of the fact that technically, even though I only get one video up a week right now, the podcast full coverage is my like second video a week in a way, you know, like I still do that every single week with Laura. So I guess technically it is 2 videos a week. It's not just one, but I want to do more. Sometimes it's fucking hard. Okay, let's go in. You guys, we're going to set our face really quickly. We're going to take a little powder, and we're going to see what it looks like. Set. And then we're going to use of course, we're going to use our iPhone. We're going to zoom in just and see what it all looks like. I'm not going to lie, I think my base looks like really pretty. It's really pretty, I fear.
You're like really pretty.
It's really pretty, I fear. What I don't understand with the foundation, though, is that, like, how can one product be so hype? I don't get it. Like, I genuinely don't understand. Like, yeah, it's good so far that I've seen. Like, it's good. But, like, the amount of hype it's gotten makes no sense to me. I don't get it. Like, I don't get it. It's all the ads? Like, what is it? What is it? I'm gonna go ahead and dust away my under eyes real quick. Let's look at the skin up close. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the skin up close now. So this is what it's looking like. It's really matte. Obviously, I just set my face, but my skin is looking super, like, the pores look so small. It looks super smooth. Like, so smooth. Oh my god. Wow. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Like, that's a smooth ass face. Where are the pores on my nose? Where'd they go? Like, literally, where'd they go? Where are the pores? The pores need to know. Okie dokie, you guys. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and like fucking chillax, relax. It's 420. It's 420.
Have you ever smoked weed before?
So I'm just gonna go chill and relax and do my thing and do my vibes. And so I'm going to come and check back in. I'm gonna actually go on my phone, do little check-ins on my phone throughout the rest of the video to do check-ins to see how long the makeup lasted, how long the foundation lasted, what it looked like. Let me go ahead and really make sure the longevity is here. Taking our Milk. I really like the setting spray. This is the Milk Hydro Grip Set Refresh. Did I get? And I love it. Just gonna pat around. Make sure we take away that powdery look. Okie dokie, you guys. And we will be back to see, Manny on the field will be back to see what the foundation looks like after a few hours of wear. And he'll let us know, let's see. But so far, first impressions, I'm actually pretty impressed. Like, the ads got me and I bought it. And I'm like not mad at it. Like, I'm really not. I actually do think it looks pretty nice. So I'll be back and in a few hours to see what the tea is. Check-in time. Hi guys, we're doing a quick check-in and I want to show you guys what the fuck's going on. So my face, I feel like I have some breakage going on because I've been like doing this, but like usually it doesn't come off that easily. So I'm scared. My smile lines The cracking is a little intense, more than usual. Like, more than fucking usual. So I don't know what's going on here. On the cheeks, like everything looks fine, but we're only like 2.5, almost 3 hours in, and this is what's going on. So I'm concerned, I'm scared, I'm terrified. And like, listen, I'll get smile lines for sure, but it usually doesn't happen this quickly, and this apparently not nearly this bad. So first check-in, not very good. I'm gonna do one more check-in later on, and we'll decide. But so far, like, I'm not super impressed with the wear of it. Okay, fam, it's been about 6 hours. I'm about to head to the movies with my parents. So I'm gonna take off my makeup now, but I just wanna let you guys know the final check-in. We are still creased. I feel like the creases got less bad. I don't get it. I don't get why they got less bad, but I will say that it's like broken apart all up in here, all up in here. I mean, the creases are still there. They're just not as bad as they were earlier. I feel like once my natural oil started coming through it, the foundation actually looked better. Deadass.
Deadass.
Like, it's wearing slightly better than when it was a couple hours ago. Still not the best though. Like, honestly, it really is kind of a shock to me that this has so many reviews and it's so like raved about. Cause I'm like, what's this? You know what I mean? So I feel like it's cute. I have had better foundations. I've used better foundations for sure. It's not the best. You guys can see that. Breaking apart. Kind of a disaster. At least my nude prism looks gorgeous. Oh, gorgeous. But anyway, you guys, I feel like overall, the foundation's mid. It's nothing to cry home to mama about, not for $45. Like, I don't really care enough. Like, it's not that good for it to be that expensive. I feel like I've used drugstore foundations that are this good. You know what I mean? That are way cheaper. So, I don't know. I feel like I just don't love it. I wasn't wowed. I felt like in the beginning, I was like, oh, okay, I'm impressed. And as it's worn, I'm like, no, don't love it. So overall, it's my review, you guys. If you guys want to try it, definitely try it, but I'm not obsessed. Definitely don't think it's worth the price. I don't really think it's worth like the insane reviews, being the most like world's viral foundation. I'm like, it's mid to me, but I feel like if you guys love it, love it, love it, how do you guys use it? Let me know in the comments below if you guys use this foundation and you guys love it and it's like your holy grail. How do you guys like to use it? I would love to know. I use it with like a primer I use pretty often, set it with my powder I always set it with. So let me know how you guys enjoy it and how you guys use it, and then I can go from there. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I had so much fun creating it as always, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye. What's happening? What's going on? Oh, there's like a little sticker. I have a pimple in my eyebrows. Oh no. Oh no. That simply won't do. I'm put the concealer on. Let's put some concealer on. Let's put some concealer on. A teensy wet. Teensy wet, teensy wet. 4 a.m. Sam, I am. Somehow I made it through.